हाय प्रणाम नमस्कार एंड वेलकम टू वॉरियर्स ऑफ लाइफ। तो आज की वीडियो में बेसिकली आई डोंट बिकम डिसअपॉइंटेड, लेकिन कुछ ऐसा हुआ है जिसके लिए मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डिसअपॉइंटेड फील कर रही हूँ एंड आई वांट टू टेल यू समथिंग दैट एक्चुअली मेड मी सो मच डिस्ट्रेसफुल फॉर दिस थिंग। तो मैं जल्दी में ये वीडियो बना रही हूँ सो दैट आप लोगों को पता चले चीज़ें एंड आपके साथ भी हो सकता है एंड आई हैव नो क्लू दैट व्हाट आई हैव टू डू। देन इफ़ यू हैव एनी आइडिया कि क्या करना है, हाउ टू डील विद दिस सिचुएशन, प्लीज़ लेट मी नो। एंड उसके साथ मैं और कुछ बातें भी आपको बताना चाहती हूँ। तो बेसिकली इट इज़ अबाउट ईशा फाउंडेशंस रुद्राक्ष दीक्षा थिंग। सो एक्चुअली बात यह है कि बिफोर द महाशिवरात्रि आई हैव बीन अ बिग डिसाइपल ऑफ सदगुरु जी एंड आई हैव बीन अ डिसाइपल। I take myself as a full time follower of Isha Foundation, but I have registered for the Rudraksh Diksha program, and so that I was about to get a Rudraksh from their end. So according to the consignment, I got the message that it has been hold at their at Karol Bagh at the New Delhi. And after that, and according to the link and description, it was there. They have received that consignment, like Karol Bagh Center has received that consignment on 27th of March, and just today is 31st of March. I just received my packet and I was very happy because that delivery guy took an sign of mine and then he delivered me the parcel. And at that moment only I found that at the back side it was torn, so I was not sure that that had happened. So this is why I started filming. And so as you can see from the forward, it is perfectly fine, and it is the Rudraksh Diksha has been delivered. As you can see here, it is torn and it is properly visible that it is there was the Rudraksh for surely, and someone just stole it. It has been stolen from here only. So as per as this is why I want you to show that. See, I just opened it up and exactly it was sealed, and I tried to open it up and as you can see, that was already torn, and I got this leaflet, this Vibhuti Rudraksh Diksha, and here I also received the powerful Adi Yogi's photograph, and that was everything with me. And other than that, so basically only these three things were there: this leaflet, this photo, and the Vibhuti, and that torn envelope. After opening the whole thing, I found that Adi Yogi's photo was there, Vibhuti was there, and the leaflet also was there, but the Rudraksh and the Sutra, the both were missing. So I called the consignment, according to the consignment customer care section, and it is the professional one, professional courier. So they attended my call and they gave me the delivery guy's number and the warehouse head number. I called them and I told them the thing. They were saying आप ऐसे कैसे कह सकते हो, ये चोरी हो गया है. When I told them that it is been proven और मेरे पास proof है कि ये बाहर से फाड़ के बाहर निकाला गया है, तो then I called them and I told them the whole thing. And yes, I'm feeling very bad because I was waiting for this thing for so long, and finally that happened to me. And हाँ, और एक बात यहाँ पे बोलना चाहती हूँ कि they were first arguing, then they told me that the consignment come to them as in a torn condition. They told me so that उनके कोई ऐसा नहीं था, तो उन्होंने मुझे ऐसा फाड़ा हुआ ही डिलीवर किया, ऐसे उनकी बात हो रही थी. तो I don't know how to work with that if you guys have any idea कि how to recover it and anything, that it should not be stolen, right? It is something is very much close to your heart and thing. It should not be stolen. So this is my request that if it is possible, then please let me know that what I need to do. If any Isha person is seeing this video, please you guys also volunteer me that how to recover that thing, because it's really heartbreaking. Anyway, धन्यवाद, namaskaram and Jai Hind.